Once upon a time, in a dense and mysterious jungle, there lived a loyal and courageous dog named Max. Max's master, John, was an adventurous explorer who often delved deep into the heart of the wilderness. Together, they had experienced many incredible journeys and shared a bond that was unbreakable. One sunny morning, John and Max embarked on their latest expedition, venturing into an unexplored region of the jungle. Little did they know that danger lurked within its lush greenery. As they ventured further, the jungle became increasingly dense, with vines and foliage twisting and tangling around them. Unbeknownst to them, a large and deadly python named Kaa had been slithering through the undergrowth, observing their every move. Kaa had a reputation for its cunning and stealth, preying upon unsuspecting creatures that ventured into its territory. It had been some time since Kaa had encountered humans, and the thought of a succulent meal excited the python greatly. As John and Max trekked deeper into the jungle, a sense of foreboding grew within Max. His keen senses detected the faint hissing sound of the approaching python. Max's instinct kicked in, and he immediately understood the peril they were in. He began barking loudly, alerting John to the impending danger. Startled by Max's warning, John looked around, trying to discern the source of his loyal companion's distress. Just as he turned his head, he caught a glimpse of the enormous python slithering towards them with eyes fixed on its prey. Realizing the gravity of the situation, John swiftly pulled out a machete, preparing to defend himself. The python, sensing John's resistance, coiled itself into a striking position, ready to attack. With lightning speed, it lunged forward, fangs bared, aiming for John's leg. But before the python could sink its teeth into its target, Max leaped into action. He lunged at the snake, sinking his teeth into its thick, scaly body, forcing it to release its grip on John. A fierce struggle ensued as Max bravely fought against the python's powerful coils, determined to protect his master at all costs. John, regaining his composure, used the opportunity to strike the python with his machete, severing its head from its body. The python writhed for a moment before succumbing to its injuries. 12 exhausted but victorious, Max stood triumphantly over the defeated python, his loyalty and bravery undeniable. John, filled with gratitude for his faithful companion, embraced Max tightly, tears of relief streaming down his face. They had survived a treacherous encounter, thanks to the unwavering devotion of a dog and the unbreakable bond they shared. From that day forward, John and Max became legendary figures in the jungle. The tale of their courage and loyalty spread far and wide, serving as a reminder of the incredible power of friendship between humans and animals. Max, the heroic dog, continued to accompany John on his adventures, fearlessly protecting him from any danger that lay in their path.